AQI level as finals?
What the AQI level? What do you think? What might be the AQI level?
I think Europe is green.
During when Delhi
Western,
had,
this Western Ghat. This is quite green.
it is quite green, but it's presently when during winters the AQI went up to 250 beyond at Nagpur, and I think so.
Imna MIDC.
No, no, no. The entire city has an average AQI, so that was 254 and 270 somewhere around. And actually, if we see, it's worse than Mumbai. Because and the major contribution is this is because of excessive construction that we do. The AQI quality drastically like explodes when you have construction or you burn anything. And the most dangerous part of the AQI is particles. There are the smaller particles, they directly go inside your lungs. The larger particles they get like filtered by your nose. But the smaller particles, for like example cement dust, you might have done any construction at your home, or POP dust. Whenever you cut anything, so those tiny particles, those are the ones that cause you excessive harm. They straight away go into your lungs. Once they go into your lungs, it carries it into your bloodstream, and then you have all of the problems. What is the remedy? The only remedy is you plant more and more trees.
Day-to-day level also, I think smaller things like these days we are so accessible with the vehicles and everything. If nearby भी होता है, like simply all walkers right now, people are not even wanting to walk, say like just 500 meters to go to a park or to buy your kirana. They would still want to have their vehicle at very little measures.
Good air quality, so it's better. So, what do you think we can do as citizens? What we can
So the first approach is to maximize the use of public transport.
Yeah.
वो एक है, and then अगर possible है तो plantation. As a normal citizen who are busy in their city, these are the initiatives, right? So we can do, and we can use EV also.
But marathon was postponed and later on it was cancelled due to the AQI.
My God.
This is horrible situation. मेरा सभी से अपील है कि प्लास्टिक का यूज़ आप अपना कम कर सकते हो. ऑर्गेनिक वे में सेलर लोगों को भी रिक्वेस्ट है ऑर्गेनिक वे में देखिए और लोगों को भी रिक्वेस्ट है बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट लैंग्वेज में कि आप हिंदी पूरी छोड़ो.
The whole idea is about gathering like-minded communities.